Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to clear Steam download cache on your Mac and Windows PC. If your Steam downloads on your Mac or PC feel slow or get stuck, or for that matter, keep failing, the problem might be with the Steam download cache. Over time, this cache can become outdated or corrupted, causing performance issues and preventing games or updates from downloading properly. In today's guide, I'll show you how to quickly clear the Steam download cache on your Mac and Windows PC. This simple fix often restores smooth downloads and gets Steam working like new again. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to launch the Steam app on your PC or Mac. And then you have to hit the Steam menu located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose Settings option or Preferences in the menu. Then we have to scroll down a bit in the left sidebar and select the Downloads option. Then we have to head over to Clear Download Cache section and hit Clear Cache button. When prompted, make sure to confirm the action, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily clear the Steam download cache on your Mac and Windows PC. This quick refresh can fix slow downloads, update errors, and other common Steam issues. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more such cool tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.